In this video, we'll look at how to assemble the P3 dampening plate. When you receive the P3 dampening plate, it will need to be assembled. Here we can see the separate pieces, the dampening plate, the sky port, and the arms that connect this to the DJI M300. This will also come with two sets of screws, the M36 and the M310 flathead screws. First of all, we will take the arms and connect them to the bridge with the M36 screws. First of all, loosely connect the screws, and then once everything is in place, these can be tightened. Then we can take the dampening plate, which has place for two screws at the front and one at each side. Again, use the M36 screws here. Once this has been aligned, we can tighten the screws. Once this has been assembled, we can add the sky port. The best way to do this is to turn over the dampening plate, insert the screws. This will then allow us to attach the sky port in the easiest possible way. To attach the sky port, we'll use the M310 flathead screws. Once again, lightly tightening these until everything is in place, and then finally tightening these up. All of these screws should be attached with Loctite. Once this is assembled, it is ready to be mounted on your UAV.